What's up, guys? We are getting the shop all ready for this upcoming riding season, and with that we've been making a lot of upgrades to the shop, just like this loft. But with this loft, unfortunately, we've run into a situation where our lighting is awful, and since we do a lot of filming in here, we definitely need to fix that. So I wanted to make a quick video showing you guys just how to install these new lights that I just got. These things are sick, and I can't wait to show you guys how they came out. But first, we got to make some room because, like I said, guys, it's the winter. We are not in the riding season here, and I got things everywhere. I got these off of Amazon, and I cannot believe how cheap they are. They are a hexagon grid light system, and I love them. The packaging was great. There's so much included, and honestly, it was really self-explanatory, except for having to peel off all of those little light stickers. There are two kind of different connectors here, one with 3 connectors and the other with 2. Like I said, we're gonna have to peel off every single one of these little stickers, which is honestly the worst part about this, but if that's the only thing that's really bad, then we're in good shape. The entire dimensions, I can't remember exactly. I want to say that it's about 6 feet wide by 12 feet long. So I went ahead and made the 3 rows just so we can get an idea of how thick it'll be, and just started building. And as you guys can see, it's really easy to install them. It's a really tight fit, but as long as you just give it a little wiggle, all these lights go in with ease. I was even able to get my wife in the shop today to help peel those stickers while I built this. And if you guys are interested on this exact light system that I got, I will put the link in the description below. Honestly, the entire package probably weighed maybe not even 10 pounds, so this is a extremely lightweight system. I want to say the longest thing for this entire setup was literally just peeling off the stickers. With most of it up, now we're going to go ahead and just put on the last few pieces. For those of you curious on how this thing plugs in, you get an extra third slot there to plug in your plug. When I was buying this, I saw that a lot of people ordered this receiver and light switch so you can have a bit of a wireless switch for these, and I gotta say, guys, yeah, this is sick. I can't wait to see this thing all dressed up with all the stuff for the winter being stored in there out of here, and I honestly cannot wait to get to work. Oh, let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys plan on buying some of these lights for yourself, I love these things. This is not a sponsored video, and just let me know what you guys think of the light setup. But yeah, and don't forget, guys, ride safe.